Let me get by, dang it. Guys here, guys. Yeah.
Well, here.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, here's CFT. Hello, guys. Here, honk. Oh. Huh. Hello, buddy. Okay, he's a big like squad now.
Did you get that one?
Huh?
Did you get that? That's a good one.
He's slow down for CFT now. Oh. Hey guys, you got it now. Here's his surprise for y'all.
What's that?
Surprising my subscriber for this, guys.
Hey, buddy.
So pretty much what we gonna do, I think we're gonna get in the Mac.
Yeah.
Pink.
Turn around and come back. Okay. All right.
Since really two of the Macs out here, the Mac in gray and white ones.
How are you, sir? He's turning around and coming back. That way you could take a look at it. You all right with that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you want a picture with it?
I guess.
You okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. You was talking to our Facebook lady last night?
Yeah.
Talking about your dogs and stuff?
Yeah.
Where is he? Is he at home?
Yeah, she got home.
Oh, okay.
But how one thing sometimes you have a little bit of the people almost
Yeah.
you need to
Will you
No.
just watch for the big trucks to come by?
yeah.
That's pretty cool.
But one thing the often sometimes you smoke the tires little, that's when they're not paying attention.
Right.
But one time we seen that someone like a dump truck, one of the Macs, come by here. Of course I was shaking. But they came by here, had smoking the tires up.
Smoking the tires up.
Yeah.
What, are they slamming on brakes?
I guess she's trying not to hit the old buddy that a little behind. Yeah, so he'll hit a camper.
Right.
I'm doing on pump like this, being what I normally do.
Right.
Right there. Being normal. He comes by, speeding along, honky horn 3 times, and go.
Right.
When it comes back. Dang it, look what I caused.
So do you get out there and pump your arm, have a
Yeah.
honk the horn on them?
CFC was like the first truck I got honked too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I
cool.
think it was one of the Mac.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was one of the Mac, but one of the black ones.
A black one, yeah.
Well, maybe one of the green ones, one of them. It wasn't the white one.
Right.
But, I think that's.
Well, I think he's gonna pull right in here.
I think that's him.
You don't
Yeah,
mind
that's
if
him.
he sets it right here, right?
Yeah. We got people like he might need to stay away from the trailer though. We got Steve that comes. Hello Mac. Hello CFT. Because I'm in the middle of a meeting. I gotta stay there because 3 actors on trailer. I'm not doing the cab life, guys.
You want to take a look at it? Take a look at it. Take whatever you want.
This is probably the second dump truck, probably the third dump truck I've been next to. Because I'm in the middle of a meeting on it. Hey guys, it is the Mac. I think it's Vision Cummins. So what model is it? No, they'll walk around the dog.
You want to hang out? You can do it, yeah.
So,
There you go.
that might be it.
You want to film it? It's right there.
I gotta do this truck first and walk around, film the truck and then honk the road after.
Okay, go right in.
I gotta do it after, at the end of the video. Got MP7, MP8 probably. Might be a Mac. Big a Mac actually. But they got a nice truck though, feel like never been this close to the actual Mac. But here's CFP, goddamn truck. I left literally in the middle of a meeting doing this music. That night came up there. But I got 3 tires. They're good at smoking tires. Oh, you need to back up, buddy. Ah, dang. You dang. Back up, buddy. You got CFT. Oh, hey, they're not. Clash a CDL. Yep, I knew they needed a CDL. They go carrying sand. I knew they needed a CDL in order to do it. Oh, they're coming right here. Let me see how thick the tires. One here. I want to have one tire blow up, but here's MPA, probably MP7, MPA. Pretty much you can come in the max. Now if it was the dang cabo, I'd be freaking out. Too bad it ain't the cab over.
Yeah.
Too bad it ain't the cab over.
Oh, yeah.
Seen that truck, and I'm like, oh, nice. They got a cab over too.
Cab over, yeah.
Yeah, I think we have one cab over.
Yeah.
And
You want to put your hat on, and I'll take a picture of you with the truck.
Yeah.
yeah,
They'll put that on the...
those are the guys that make you go deaf with his new stuff. One thing I can just take pictures while I'm filming too.
Okay.
You always give is one thing is
You stand there, and I'll take a picture for our
is
webpage.
there an MPA in it?
They got an MPA in it?
MPA?
You mean the microphone?
No, the MPH in it for the engine.
I have no idea what that even is, to be honest.
Mac
What's an MPH?
engine.
Oh, the engine.
Yeah, MPA, MP7.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
But no
We
when.
might need to hire you to come.
I'm telling you. I'm
If I
telling
clean out the Mac,
you. Hey,
then blow
do you
out.
want to see the motor? You want to see the engine?
Yeah.
Let me let you see the engine.
Can do.
Take them over to the truck show all night.
I thought that cabo was good truck to people like that. All you need to do is add, put some train on him.
Yeah.
Okay, big.
That's the magic.
Yeah. I thought it'd be bigger,
Mm-hmm.
like more of a brick. Seen one of the trucks go by recently
Oh, yeah?
being towed. Now, like, again, CFD being towed again.
Mm-hmm.
Like, seriously?
Hey, these trucks works hard.
Yeah. So, like, that guy had a whole front all teared up, like, real into someone.
Oh, okay, yeah,
or
man.
something.
Hey, these trucks work hard.
Yeah. Especially with the Freightliner Cascadia. But I need a cat in Western Star.
Oh, yeah.
They're good for construction.
Oh.
I've seen the Peterbilt, Kimmel T600.
Oh, yeah?
They have dairy removals out here, and they got a Kimmel T2000.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they're carrying concrete.
Oh.
That SRM is literally right next to y'all.
That's the breather right there. That's all that. That's what make this thing run. Come on this side.
But I
And
know
that's the fuel right there. The fuel filter. That's fuel in there.
they should have a Jake brake on it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Oh,
Oh,
so that has
yeah.
a full Jake brake.
Yeah, Jake brake. That's right. Yeah.
Couldn't you rev the engine and do the Jake brake? Like rev the truck?
Yeah.
We have the Jake brake when you park.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's an MP7.
Yeah. See that? Yes.
It's an MP7, not an MP8.
Mm-hmm.
Second
Yeah.
is a rat get in here.
And it's fully automatic.
Oh, so no manual.
Yeah. It's all. Yep.
They probably didn't hear a Jake brake. Like the Peterbilt behind you had a Jake brake on.
Yeah. Yeah. This one has it, but I just keep it off. I turn it off.
Yeah, because when I don't want to hear a loud noise,
Yeah.
you know,
Because
stop.
most neighborhoods they say, hey.
Yeah, no train, no train horn and no Jake brake. Oh, no Jake or train horns in the area.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's how people get ran into.
Yeah. And the neighbors, hey, turn that off. Yeah, hey, everybody come out there. It's too loud. So,
Does this say Mac trailer? Huh?
yeah, that's a Mac.
But I know Mac has their own trailers too. Hey, there goes that 8100.
Yeah.
He actually had one rover, one horn on his truck. Like the other one came off on somehow.
So, I'm about almost 30 tons. Almost 90,000 pounds on here.
These international is loud. The fact that international is, but I know Volvo and Volvo and Mac are both made pretty much the same company with all the cars.
Yeah, that's right.
But I know It's just, you know, that dog just really has a little googly, I think. Like, is that googly eye?
Yeah. That
Kinda.
dog hangs on right there.
Yeah, just hang on for my life.
You get an education there, Dion?
Yeah, I gave it a rundown on that motor. Yeah.
George.
Hey, but he knows his stuff though. He knows his stuff.
Sounds like it.
Yeah, he knows his stuff.
Cut my whole video that messed up with being upside down again.
Yeah.
A couple of times I had it upside down. Wouldn't go normal.
Sometimes they do.
Could see me how a convoy go by.
Convoy.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be
For a
nice.
video
I
on
don't think I've seen a convoy.
in Naples. Had a whole convoy go by on one of my videos where I think CFT was in it with Volvo with a visor. With a chrome visor with bow horns on it, Volvo. Which is weird because
Took him up through Atlanta.
You know, the funeral, we had a convoy there. Yeah, at least 10, 12 trucks in there. All of them lined up together.
big,
Yeah.
Can I get a picture with you, Mr.
Yeah. Hey, we get a picture?
Go get a picture. Go get a picture with you guys.
Earth 18
Come on.
You
gonna get a shot.
Can you stand there with it?
So put my car on the pussy top.
Okay.
I'll
I'll take a picture of you with your phone, and then I'll take one with my phone. How about that?
Hey, let's put on our hat. Let's get our hat on.
That's right.
Get our hat.
All right, we ready?
Thumbs up.
Give some kind of thumbs up. That's right. Ready? One
Give a thumbs up.
or peace sign. That works.
Okay, we'll do that.
1, 2.